Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a signature in Yahoo Mail. So, first of all, you want to log into your Yahoo Mail account. As you can see, I'm already logged in. Then what you want to do in your main page, you want to go to the settings. So click on the settings right here. Then you want to go to the more settings, which is down below. And then you want to go, and on the left side of your screen, you want to go to the option writing email. And now, as you can see, you have a signature option right here. So what you want to do is to click right here, and then you can create your signature. So let's say I want to add hard reset, then I want to add a link, so HardReset.Info okay. Then as you can see, you have your preview signature. So then you're gonna have the link, and let's say I wanna add the number, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Then let's say I want to change the colors. You can also do this. So let's maybe change the color to this one, and also I want to make it a little bit bolded. Then maybe I want to have a nice day, and let's maybe change it to the green also, and here I'm going to change it to the blue, for example. And maybe I want to make it italic and select another font, sorry. And now, as you can see, you have created your signature. So if you go back to your inbox right now, and if you compose an email, as you can see, your signature is now right here. Even if you click on the web page, you can just click on the link, and this will bring you to your web page, the link you just linked to your signature. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.